Hey guys, good morning, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, guys, I'm sorry I got a little late today. I had a little bit of an issue firing YouTube up, which is why we're actually not live today, but it is what it is. And just a quick disclaimer, you guys, excuse me, we're not a buy or sell channel, okay? Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. All right. So if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, kindly get off the stream because you're on the wrong stream. Okay. But if you're looking to learn about these forex markets, if you're looking to trade them live, and most importantly, if you're looking to learn the profitable forex strategy, then stick around, you guys, because that's exactly what we're gonna do. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope y'all had a lovely, lovely London session as well. Cash told me the session was pretty good. I was in and out of it. I was a little excuse me, a little caught up with work, but I was listening. I wasn't trading it though. Okay, I'm gonna start to share my screen with you guys, but before that, I'd like all of y'all to know that any risks you'll take upon yourself. We're in super, super choppy times. Please don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% off your account on any given trade, right? We're not financial advisors, you guys. We're just experienced traders that trade these markets every single day, all right? So if you guys are taking any sort of trades, please know that they're gonna be upon you. All right, that being said, I'm going to quickly share my screen with you guys. Okay, I reckon you all can see my screen. Dirty, all right, a little bit of an impulse. Not really, though. I wouldn't really consider that one. But a little bit of an attempt of an impulse closed right into our supply. And let's see, maybe they respect the now turn demand. It is a pretty big candle, so where could they come down to? Maybe somewhere around half that candle. Okay, so maybe somewhere in this region they could have a little bit of a retracement all the way back there, and then let's see if they want to pick some momentum up. Okay, and this is Nasdaq right here. So let's take a look at the EMAs holding. All right, so we're building on steady uptrend on Nasty. What can we expect? We can expect one of two things, like that sort of a move or that sort of a move, right? So it's either or that could happen. It all depends on how we react up there at our supply. Let's see if we want to hold this trend line, and if we do happen to break and we get a rejection from the trend line as well, then maybe we can look to get in and out. Not a very big move, it's about 18 pips, but ones on the one-on-ones, you guys know how to milk an 18 pip move as well. Okay, so this is what we're looking at on the indices as of right now. Goldilocks, it's pretty volumized, man. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's like 9 freaking white soldiers. That's what it is, all right? It's not 3, it's 9. All right, volumized candles pushing up. Lots of supply. Oops, that's not demand. My bad. Lots of supply coming in right there. Why do I deem this a supply? Straightforward, right? We came down here. Boom, the sellers kicked in. We had their orders get triggered. We had all the sellers push in from here. Made a nice little inverse head and shoulders, a nice double bottom, had a nice retracement. Another attempt to test out our supply, unsuccessful, pushed right back down. Beautiful double bottom breakout. That's the momentum that we're riding right now. So we need to see is 1, 2, 3. The fourth time. Is the fourth time going to be the time when it actually happens to break out, or are we going to start to get our reversals into our back down to our demand? Okay, so these are things that we need to consider. These are things that we need to sort of just work through. Okay, for my aggressive scalpers, you guys that trade like me, you've got a 23 pip zone sitting right there. Okay, there's going to be some traffic coming in for the buys, just letting you all know. Alright, just look to the left, okay? Even though we may start, if we break past the 70, yes, we may have some momentum to actually get this move a little bit. But again, have the right risk management, you guys. Please don't be using stupid lots. Just have the right risk management for your accounts. Risk management's everything in this game, okay? If you don't have risk management, there's no way you're going to come out on top. It's just as simple as that. So make sure that you're not risking more than 1% at any given time on any given trade. All right. You guys think my numbers look big, but you'll need to realize that our accounts are big as well. The numbers that y'all see are only half and 1% of our accounts. Okay. So please don't fall into that. Make sure that you guys are using the right risk management. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna quickly go through the chat. What's up, you guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Dawood, Damien, Karan, The Gains, Camper, Kyle, Tusu. What's up, you guys? Mills, my man. Deep Minded. Good morning, good morning. Alts 404. Alex, what's up, you guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope you all took some time off, got yourselves back together, and I hope you guys are ready for a solid week ahead. Okay, look at that. Nice little push, only an impulse. I'm not in on anything as of right now, okay? Because of the fact that we're so close to market open, 6 minutes away, I'm not stressing. Okay, for the ones that are in on this, realize your profit somewhere around there, because that's when you may start to see a little bit of a rejection. Okay, 9 pips, you're using the right money management, catch your 5, 8, 10 pips, whatever it is, and realize your profits. Okay, I'm in US 30. Awesome, man. Good for you. All right, you should be up in some profit right now. Don't get greedy on this. Okay, at least try to put yourself in a risk-free position. Try to do that. I personally am not in on anything right now. I'm just watching, I'm just chilling. We're coming into some potential bearish divergence on Nasty potential. Okay, again, break that, we're coming down into demand. Okay, so if you want to consider this an impulse, go for it. That's an impulse. But again, look at the time, ask yourself, is it worth getting into this trade when you have market open about 4 minutes away? Okay, they're trying to hit that region that I just mentioned to you guys, and they're pretty much there. So if you guys are running on this, take out your profits. Okay, just letting you all know, man. Okay, those could be the potential sells. Whoopsie, my bad. Okay, and we can look at this region. In case the buys want to kick in. Okay. Sorry, you guys. Okay, that's the beauty of being a price action scalper. Okay, we're ready for price to go either way. We're not just looking at buying double bottoms or selling double tops. Okay, cool. And what are we doing with Goldie? Okay, look at that. Did anyone catch this? Did any of you guys catch that? If y'all did, that was a nice 10 pip move sitting for y'all right there. Except alts 404. Did any of you guys end up catching that? Where the sells gonna be? The sells are... I'm gonna see how price reacts in and around here. Okay, you're probably gonna get stopped out real soon. Alts 404. You should have realized some profit on that, bro. We're too close to market open, man. Should have taken what you got. Okay, let's see if the reversals want to kick in, and maybe we look at this region for some potential shots coming in. Okay. Lovely. Oh, look at that. Alts. Well, that's how you do it, man. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations. Let's get the biryani going. We're pushing. We're pushing. Lovely. I'm happy for you, brother. Good for you. No, I haven't done GU today. Okay. Look at that solid move coming in on the dirty. And we're about a minute and a half going into market open, okay? How do you guys feel? What do y'all want me to keep open? Are we doing the indices? Um, excuse me. Are we doing the indices or are we doing gold? Or are we do you want to pick one index and gold? What do you want to do? What are we doing on gold? We have the break above our supply, which could kick in just like that. Okay. Gold looks clean, man. It does. Straight up, it looks clean, okay? Where the sell's gonna be, the sells are gonna be here. Right down here, you could sell into your demand and, of course, further. Gold, gold and nasty indices, gold, gold. Okay, guys, 3 charts. I'm just gonna flip flop. Okay, let's keep the indices together and let's keep gold with a chart of its own, and we'll see how it goes. All right. So we've got market open in the next 30 seconds, guys. Please, I'm just telling y'all again, do not be over leveraging your account. Gold got a good feeling. Likewise, brother. Look at that. Okay, now I hope you pulled out your profits at least now, okay? You got plenty of chances to do that. It almost went up and hit TP as well. Okay, gold, let's see what's going on. All right, we may just get a little bit of a pop. Let's see, you guys. This is market open. Let's have a good one, and let's close the session strong, okay? This is market open, you guys. Okay, watch for that break on the dirty to test out that region up there. Okay, look at that. Nasty pushing. Anyone in on Nasdaq? I'm testing out a little feeler on Nasdaq. Oh no, I'm watching it right now. If we break the current high, I'm going to be trigger finger on this guy, okay? Just letting y'all know. Let's see if we want to create a higher high. Let's see, man. All right, boom. I'm in, and I'm running by about 3 pips at this point. I'm going to change this to break even really quick. There you go. It didn't even give me a chance to change it to break even, all right? I'm pretty much at break even right now, round about there. I'm watching this really closely, you guys. I don't want to take no L's on this. All right, watching it. I'm down by about 6 pips at this point. If we don't hold over here, I'm out, okay? So I'm going to set my stop loss real quick. All right, solid rejection, okay? Let's see. I don't like those flicks that are coming through. I'm at roundabout break even again, you guys. Boom, pushing. Wow, this is a weird ass market today, huh? I'm up again. I'm running by about. There you go, 3-4 pips. I'm gonna take the chance to change this to break even right now, guys. I'm running by 5 pips, $2,500, okay? 1, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there you go. Boom. $4,000. I'm catching about 3.5 to $4,000 on this right now. 1, 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay, I have a break-even stop loss on this guy. Beautiful move. Still pushing in. I'm gonna cash out $5,000 as soon as I see it. Okay, 5,000, 6,000. I just saw 6,000. Fuck, I'm being greedy right now. $7,000, $8,000. I'm pulling it out. I just pulled out 7,700 on Nasty. Boom, who freaking caught that with me? What a freaking move. I love that. I want to see W's in the chat. Who caught Nasdaq with me or US 30? Gold didn't do anything, but watch out. It could be coming in, but these were solid. I want to see W's in the chat, guys. 5 pips. I caught, how much did I catch? 10, 12, 14. I caught about 15 pips on this guy. I caught 15 pips on Nasdaq. 3 for 3 today. Lovely, brother. Lovely. W on Nasdaq. No losses. W. I love seeing these W's, man. Lovely. Look at you guys. Crap, my lots on Hanko are different for indices. Made more than I meant to. Yes, they probably are different on the indices, brother. You're actually right. It's pretty simple. So a 1.0 will be $1, whilst the 10.0 will be $10, and a zero point 0.1 will be 10 cents. So just times 10. I'm out. I traded that goddamn impulse on Nasdaq, and I'm out. Look at dirty, man. They're pushing. All right. I want to just I'll ask Cash to send out my position to y'all. I was confident on this trade. I got in with a fat. I was freaking out there for a second. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, at one point I was in negative 2.5k. I was in 2.5k deficit, which was 5 pips um, based off of my lot size. But I was confident because I knew I could hold to a minimum of about negative 15 pips. Did I want to hold to negative 15 pips? Absolutely not. But I had a gut feeling inside. I told you guys, if we hold at this region, we're gonna push higher, right? And you guys eventually are gonna reach a point where you're gonna start trading with your gut. Your core is going to tell you what's happening and what isn't happening. And that's exactly, this was a demonstration of that happening live in front of you guys right now. Okay, so I managed to catch that. I was down by about 2,500, and that was 5 pips. And I caught about 17 pips in profit. Okay, so I'm just going to send my position out to Cash, and she's going to send it to the group right now. Calculated risks, you guys. Calculated risks. That's what it's all about, man. Babe, I'm sending it to you, okay? Okay. Okay. Cash is going to send it out to y'all. Next 5 seconds, this closes. Let's see if we get a retest or a rejection. Same thing with this. Let's see if we get a retest and a wick fill or a push to the down. Ooh, okay. No retest, straight push. Let's see if they're going to come down. That was our TP. As you guys can see, we've already hit that. All right, if we want to push higher, that's the level we're going to, man. Straight up, we break that high, we're attempting to create a higher high, okay? And we break past this, then we're attempting to create something around there, and freaking gold is dead. Gold's dead, okay? Nothing going on with gold. There you go, some momentum kicking in on Goldie as well. But the indices did it today, you guys. The indices did it, and how? All right, Cash just sent out my position to you guys. Check it out. Nice 50 lot. In and out for about 16, 17 pips. 17 pips, okay? I'm happy. Very, very happy with this one. Are you guys still in any sort of trades? Is anyone in on anything? Solid move, man. Bro, that US 30 wick. Tell me about it, bro. Chop, chop all the way. Look at that. Look at that. This is just freaking sideways right now. Okay. And let's break down what happened on NASDAQ. How about that? Right? So, all of this was all the NFP momentum, right? All of this. We started with the bull rally on the first of this month, which is the 1st of June, and since then we've been bullish, all right? And then this was NFP. The markets went crazy, bullish, bearish, bullish, and then we've basically been sideways trading. Why was I positive for these buys to kick in? It's because my one-on-ones, you guys should be spotting this, but we were building into some nice, oops, my bad. We were building into some nice accumulation right within this zone. Okay, so we had something of that sort going on, back and forth movement, and I knew that this is a fill that hasn't been done as yet, right? And I saw that that was a nice area that we could break in order to catch the liquidity up there before we actually make the retracement or the push higher, right? So that was my move into filling this wick, and that's why I got in as confidently as I did. Is gold doing something? Only an impulse on gold, okay? Please, guys, remember that's an impulse on gold. You want to see how the next 2 minutes close, and maybe then you could get a continuation, all right? But right now, it's only an impulse. You guys type it out on the chat. What are the positions that you need to be in on the impulse candle? Type it out, you guys. I have the chat open for me. How do we avoid the fake outs that the retail traders get caught into? The army of millionaires, this question's to you guys, okay? How do we avoid all of those fake outs? Because the retail at this point is hitting sell, 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 sell. And what are we doing? Okay, you guys already feel it. There you go. My freaking army of millionaires, you guys. I love it. Okay, so now we're not freaking out. Even if you're in on this impulse, it's all good. Where could you have your stop loss? All the way up at your supply zone. How big is that zone? Not too big. Legit. It's about a 26 pip zone. If you're in with a dollar, that's $26. If you're in with 10 cents, that's 2.6. You don't need to be stressing about that, okay? But yeah, let's see if they want to close. Let's see if they want to close down here, okay? We're not going to fall under that trap that the retail traders are meant to fall into. Feel it. I love seeing that, man. You guys. Intense. All right. Let's see the next 40 seconds how this candle closes. And we'll then... Oh, God. I don't like the dirty right now. Okay, this being said, the dirty is going to have its move. Let's make some adjustments on the dirty, right? Where the buy is going to kick in, when and if this happens, right here. And boom, we could push up. We have our final TP all the way up there, but that's a nice little BOS that I'm looking at right now. Don't be shorting this market. Trade price action, you guys. Even if that means that you're going to have to miss on some trades, don't be afraid of missing on a couple of trades. At least this way, if you're going to be trading price action, you're going to have a reason as to why you made some money or lost some, okay? So don't be gambling these markets, you guys. That will end horribly. You can get lucky once, you could get lucky twice, you could get lucky thrice. But it's not something that's going to happen all the time for you, all right? There's a difference between being a technical trader and being a retail trader, all right? And yeah, by all means, we're not the money makers. We don't have the volume, but we're also not the retail traders, all right? We're technical traders, but the goddamn army of millionaires. Okay, they push higher. Let's find a new TP in case they want to. I don't think they're going to, but if they do... 90. Ooh, damn it. It's at the psychological 600 as well. Alright, let's just fix that up to 600. Let's see. Nice psychological number. It didn't, buddy. It didn't. Gold didn't get the close. Not yet, at least. We're building into some demand here. Camper. We're building into some demand over here, so we could expect price to maybe get a little bit of a bounce back, retest our supply, and then possibly make the move. But it seems a little too... There's still liquidity up here that we need to catch before starting the move back down. Okay. Retest on gold. Not as yet, buddy. We didn't have a close in our box, so... there's no retest as yet. The retest will only come when the impulse closes into our box, right? What trades are we in, guys? I am in on nothing. I made what I had to on that impulse. I'm chilling. I'm even gonna call it a session real soon, maybe with the new 5-7 minute momentum that kicks in, because I like to practice what I preach. All right, I've given you guys setups that have already worked out. Out of 3, we already have 2 that have played out and beautifully. So yeah, I don't want you guys to be over trading. I'm not going to be over trading myself. I know that about myself, but for a lot of the new people that have come on here, I've been through that phase when you guys get super addicted to trading, okay? And I understand that it can get really hard to not hit buy or sell. I understand that. So to keep that in place, we don't need to have unnecessarily long streams, okay? Because Forex is something that we want you guys to be sitting on it for 10, 15, 20 minutes a day. Make your money, get out and move on with your life. Before Cash and I and Millzone, before we started Forex trading, our company, we'd just be on the markets for like 20 minutes a day. I'm not even kidding. 20 minutes for London, 20 minutes for New York, trade market open, trade news, get out of the markets, go and handle our production house. That's what we used to do, right? So it's just, it's not, if you're going to be sitting on it for 12, 16, 18 hours a day, you might as well just do a day job, right? It's got to be something that you want to spend minimal time on, and the returns should be exponentially higher than anything else that you've done in your life, okay? All right, so this is what I meant on gold. Not ready as yet. I told you guys, okay? We're building into demand over here. You could even literally put on a new box, move that up there, but this is building some demand. All right, let's see how we react to that supply up top. Oh, looking nasty, man.
I know one day I don't trade this and this happens.
Nasty's moving. I told you guys, Nasty was the goddamn move today, man. I felt it. Before the session came on, I had my eyes on it. When I asked you guys, when I told y'all, like, guys, what do y'all want to be, what do y'all want to be trading? In my mind, I was like, y'all can trade whatever y'all like. I'm getting in on Nasdaq. I had my levels marked out on my MetaTrader. Everything was good to go on Nasdaq, but this was the move, man. This was it. Solid move, okay? That's a nice about 62 pip. I think it's a 62 pip rally to the upside from our entry. 76 pip, my bad. 76 pip move. Okay, chop on the dirty. Did GU have anything? Did GU make its move? Nothing?
It is going to go. This is E1.
All right, so we just had negative S&P news come out. Sorry, I forgot to mention. But we do have news that's out right now, so let's see if it has any sort of effects on the market. But again, man, thanks for a great session, Krem. You're welcome, Chris. Take it easy, buddy. But again, like I said, news, no news, the fundamentals are one thing. We're pure technical traders, though, okay? Yes, we use the fundamentals as a catalyst to our already existing bias, to our already existing setups, because we're expecting an injection of volume when this happens, right? So that's how we use news. But are we taking trades based off of news? No, we're not. Guys, make sure this translates into success stories, okay? We do this for free for you guys. Look at gold. Gold's pushing. Maybe trying to make a little bit of a head and shoulders now. Let's see. We break past that. Boom, we're pushing up. Okay, we have our supply marked out there. Oh, wow. Okay. Anyone in on gold? On the impulse? Listen. You just saw the flick that happened, okay? If you're getting in on it, make sure it's only and only an impulse, only and only a feeler, okay? But yes, they are attempting to break the 70 on the RSI. They're attempting to go overbought. Traffic coming in there. Yeah, that's what I meant, okay? So let's see. If you guys are in on this, it should only be feelers. Your stop loss can be all the way down here. To me, this seems more bearish than bullish. Like I said, looks like it's starting to build a head and shoulders. Okay, guys, listen. We come on every single day. We come on every single day, and we... guys, just give me 1 second. Sorry about that, you guys. But yeah, like I said, listen, we come on here twice a day for y'all, okay? It's not even once. We're on for London Market Open and we're on for New York Market Open. I can promise you that no one is doing this for free. Trust me when I say that, okay? We come on here every single day. We try to give you guys the best quality setups, and we also try to give you guys the best quality sessions, all right? We just like to teach you guys. We like to share our knowledge that we've acquired over the past years in these markets with you guys. And we do it all for absolutely free. Okay, so how you can support us is just by doing something that's free for y'all to do as well. All right, one, go on to success stories on the Forex server and make sure that you put down a success story. Okay, we've added a point system. I'm not going to tell you what the points are going to be used for, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are going to be interested when that news drops. Okay, so there is a point system. You need to not only write down a success story, but post a picture as well. You'll be awarded a point. The one with the most points, the top people with the most points are definitely in for a treat. Okay, so make sure you're getting that done. And two, I want you guys to go on a Twitter. Okay, it's free to ask. Listen, we're really early in we're really early with everything that we're doing here at Forex, right? We've just started. We just started our marketing. We've just started getting noticed, okay? And trust me, we're already getting noticed, all right? We want you guys, our OG traders, the ones that are on the Zoom call with me, we just want to be able to use your socials as well. All you have to do is go on Twitter, just the same success story that you put on, copy and paste it on Twitter. Make sure you tag CramFX, CashFX, and Forex Trading. Once you've done that, well, we're keeping an eye, all right? We'll know, and that's all we ask for y'all for a free freaking service, okay? Gold getting the close. Yep. Let's see. Let's see how this candle closes. I'm just going to wait for the next maybe 2 or so minutes. And we'll then do it. Okay, nothing is yet on gold. 4 seconds. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like they're going to try to do a wick fill, but I don't know if we're going to get anything more. Okay, they're trying to get the wick fill going. Excuse me. Don't be looking for anything on Nasdaq. Okay, this is done. If you've made your money on this, you don't need to be trading this. I mean it. Like just be grateful that Nasdaq gave you a move. Okay, and you shouldn't be trading the dirty anyway. It's just extremely choppy. Gold holding. So when this happens, what I like to do is I like to flip this to excuse me, you guys. I like to flip this to demand. A green box representing the buyers that are possibly going to step in over here. Let's see if they hold it at demand. Okay, so I'm going to tighten that up just like that. Like that. Okay, that's our zone of demand. They're holding so far. That's an 8 pip wick fill. Ask yourself if it's worth getting in for 8 pips, or if you're going to be looking for the break of that impulsive structure. Oof, looking nasty. Retracements coming in. Okay. Do you think they're gonna break? They could. They're trying to go overboard. It's possible. We could get. You see this TP region? There's a reason that I have this level up here, right? So, yes. Is it a possibility that we hit TP? It is a possibility. Are they gonna hit TP? We're gonna have to find out. But so far, they're holding. Okay, they're also building into what I see to potentially be a head and shoulders. It doesn't look like it right now, but it's getting there. Wow. Look at Nasty making its retracement, coming all the way back down. More than half the move has already been covered. Where are the cells going to be at? Here. That's where the cells are going to be, okay? How big of a move is what? The buys on Nasdaq were about 70 pips, I think. Yeah, Cash just said it as well. Nasdaq was the best today. 76 pips on Nasdaq. Okay, I'm just waiting for this, you guys. I'm literally just waiting for this. I just want to see how this plays out for the ones that are in on it. But trust me when I say this, if it doesn't happen now, it's probably going to happen in the next 7 minutes. When I say happen, I mean either or could happen in the next 7 minutes when we have the Ali swap. Okay, but there you go. They're pushing down. They're not respecting this region. Took a 10-day break from trading and came back to a wonderful London. Thanks always, Cash, London and DAX. Cheers, man. NYC Nasty Open. Lovely. Learning. Let's go W. Good stuff, you guys. Good stuff. Let's get in some more success stories. Okay, there are 39 people here. I'm sure we can get in some more success stories. It really doesn't matter if you've made some money or not, you guys. Y'all could literally be on demo accounts and still post success stories, because even if you're not trading, step one is learning. So as long as you guys are learning, that within itself calls for a success story. Trust me when I say this, okay? All we try to do over here is we try to provide value, and I'd go to the extent to say that we provide a good amount of value to you guys, and we only ask for success stories. But anyway, it's up to you. If you guys want to do it, y'all can. If y'all don't want to do it, it's all good. Cash and I and Millzone, we're still going to be doing what we're doing. Okay, you guys, let's just have a quick recap. Nasty's coming into the reversals on the break of this demand. We could look to possibly push down over here in case the move wants to come. If not, they're going to push back up, create the second high, and then eventually push down. So if this becomes a double top, then your sells are going to look like this. But till then, you want it to be like this, okay? Because as of right now, it's a nice head and shoulders that they're trying to form. We basically have our accumulation, which is now going to turn into distribution, which will make the head and shoulders, and then we could possibly push down. All right, look at that. It's finally making some move, but just not my type of chart to be trading. I don't like it, so I haven't even really looked at this. It's just extremely choppy. I would recommend you guys to stay away from it as well. And gold, like I said, looks like it's coming down to make that head and shoulders. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that you have your demand that's sitting right in this region. Expect price to come back here. Expect price to bounce up, get rejected from this zone, which is turned into your supply. Which is turned into your supply again, your original supply. And then maybe you can start to get the retracement back down. Right? Do we have any questions, you guys? I'm not going to do the question of the day today just because I don't have the camera that's up and running. I do have the question ready, but I'm not going to do it today. But if you guys have any questions, now's the time. Okay. Doesn't seem like you guys have any questions, so I am gonna call it. Thank you guys so much. Please, if you guys want to, then go ahead and put on some success stories on Twitter posts. Okay, that's all we ask for. And we're doing 10 sessions this week, you guys. 10 sessions. We're doing 5 London, 5 New York. Okay, 10 sessions is crazy. Trust me, for free. No one's doing that for y'all. I promise you that. Okay. Recommended funded accounts. Yes, my Forex funds, guys. We're also working. I don't want to announce anything too soon, but yes, we are working on affiliations and all of that good stuff. So you guys are definitely going to get some discounts in the near future. The ones that want to be getting on the fundeds, you will definitely be getting some discounts as well with us. Okay. Yep. All right. So like I said, and like I always say, we're building an army of millionaires, you guys. And it's completely up to you. You know, if you want to jump in, jump in. If you don't want to jump in, spectate till you feel you're ready. But just know that you're going to be missing out. Yeah, we're building the biggest freaking trading group out here, okay? Which is the best Forex broker in India. I'm not sure about individual brokers, bro, because I haven't really used any individual Forex brokers in India. My individual brokers. I use Hanko Trade and I use a couple of local brokers in the UAE, in Dubai. but the funded accounts work just fine in India. All right, so you'll be just fine with my forex funds, with FTMO. I don't recommend FTMO just because of their spreads; they're not very good. But MFF works well. Okay. Good day. Yes, sir. All right. Thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. I will catch you guys for London and New York for the next 4 days. Have a good one, you guys. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading, guys. Signing out. Take it easy, guys. Bye. Right when we said it, gold's still pushing. Just letting y'all know, gold's still pushing. We could get that little TP that we just spoke about up there, okay? So watch out if anyone's in on gold. You're looking to maybe test out that region. All right, thanks, guys. Take it easy. Bye.